This lab is designed to explore the exciting world of artificial intelligence, blending theory with hands-on practice. Here, students will learn to develop intelligent systems, train machine learning models, and solve real-world problems using AI techniques. Computer Lab. Our Computer Lab is a hub for innovation and learning, providing students with access to a wide range of programming languages that cater to both beginners and advanced learners. We offer popular and essential programming languages, including Python Lab, Java Lab, C, C++, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and SQL Lab. Python Lab. Our Python Lab is equipped with modern systems and software to support programming and computational skills and development. Python is a versatile language for data science, AI, and web development. Java Lab. Our Java Lab is a robust language widely used in application and enterprise level development. C and C++. The language is ideal for understanding the core concepts of programming, system programming, and competitive coding. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The lab emphasizes the foundational trio for web development and design. SQL Lab. The language is mainly used for database management and analysis. The lab serves as an ideal environment for learning, experimenting, and mastering programming concepts. It is staffed with experienced faculty and features resources to assist students in understanding real-world applications of those languages. Through hands-on practice and guided projects, this space empowers students to enhance their technical skills and prepare for industry challenges. The students can gain expertise in popular languages like Java, C, Python, and more essential for AI development. Students gain practical expertise in the backbone of modern computing systems. This lab provides hands-on experience with hardware components and networking concepts, preparing students for real-world challenges in IT infrastructure management. The Logical Systems Lab. The LSD Lab is a specialized facility designed to foster analytical thinking, problem-solving skills, and an in-depth understanding of logic-based systems. It is an ideal space for exploring concepts in digital logic systems, design, and computational thinking. The lab provides digital logic tools, programming environments, microcontroller kits, debugging, and testing equipments. The LSD Lab enables students to work on projects such as designing combinational and sequential circuits, implementing real-time control systems, simulating and analyzing complex logical operations. This lab acts as a foundation for careers in electronics, embedded systems, and hardware design, preparing students to develop innovative solutions in logic-based technologies. It is a space where theoretical concepts come alive through hands-on experimentation and real-world applications.